In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter an account opening balance in Zoho Books. This process is crucial for accurately setting up your financial records, so let's get started. First off, you'll want to go to your Zoho Books dashboard. It's your central hub, where you can access all the essential tools and features of Zoho Books, allowing you to stay organized and efficient with your financial tasks. Once you're there, look for the Settings option. Clicking on Settings opens up a world of customization where you can adjust how your Zoho Books account functions to suit your business needs. Next, look for Opening Balances in the Settings menu. This section is specifically designed for configuring the initial amounts in your accounts. Think of it as setting the starting line for your financial race. Click here to start inputting the necessary information. Now, you'll want to click on Edit. This is where you begin inputting your account details. Clicking Edit enables you to adjust any pre-existing information or add new entries, ensuring your financial data mirrors your real-world accounts. From here, it's essential to choose a migration date. This is the date from which your financial records in Zoho Books will begin. Picking the right date is crucial. It should represent the start of your financial year or the date you began using Zoho's platform. Once you've selected your migration date, proceed by clicking on Expense. This step allows you to address all outgoing payments tied to your account, helping you record how much has been initially spent. After selecting Expense, it's time to type in your debit amount. The debit amount is what your business owes, such as liabilities or expenses, at the start. Enter this information carefully to reflect your financial standing correctly. Following that, type in the credit amount. Unlike debit, the credit amount is what your business owns, like assets or income. Again, accuracy here is key. It's all about representing your financial position truthfully. Once you've entered the debit and credit amounts, click on Continue. This saves your entries and allows you to double-check everything for precision. It's always a good idea to ensure the numbers match the figures from your other financial records. Finally, click on Confirm. This is like hitting the Save button, locking in your financial settings and ensuring your books are balanced starting from your selected migration date. And there you have it. Your account opening balance in Zoho Books is now set. Following these steps not only helps maintain accurate records, but also paves the way for seamless financial tracking, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.